Hey guys, I'm playing Lady Gaga again.
She's back, bitches.
My mama told me when you write a song, you don't have to be original.
Now we have to administer the tramp stamp, pardon the terminology.
This is the worst porno I have ever seen.
Ta-da!
Oh, wow.
Cool.
Tramp.
Thanks everybody for coming. Now, take your clothes off. Shirts off and leather on.
My dad's gonna be so proud when he sees it.
I've still got like a fur jacket on even when I take my shirt off.
Ah, they got the fur coat.
No, between here and here I sweat a lot. Why do you get to be like a badass gay guy? Look
Because
at
I
that.
grabbed it first.
Is that a gay hat? That's like, I think that's more like 1920s.
No, it looks like you're a
aviator.
Everybody needs to act a lot more slutty.
What part is this for?
The bitchy dancers.
Okay.
Gay, gay, gay every day. Hey wait, did I mention that I'm down with gays?
So if you can have a threesome, Todd, with Jake and the lobster.
Get some drawn butter.
So maybe you're giving it to the lobster while the lobster's giving it to Jake. There's a lot of riding and...
Okay, you guys, this is the worst basketball team I've ever seen. Come on, make more baskets.
I'm trying to, but I keep popping the ball.
Look at this, I know this in Space Camp. Turn on the wind machines, turn on the strobe lights, someone call a DJ. This woman's going into labor. Woo!
Here's what you're gonna put on your head.
This is underwear though.
Yeah, it's never been worn. I haven't worn it. Yeah, there we go.
Just mash up parts of other melodies, like express yourself in waterfalls.
Just display more TNA. Check out my butt while I walk away.
Oh yeah, Tom. You're gonna show her. Go ahead. I know you want to show her how she's supposed to roll on me.
You climb onto...
Go ahead, just do it.
Well, I was just going to have her do it.
Sure. Okay.
Alright, so...
What if I think Santa Claus?
I got a boner. Get it? Get it? Do you get it? Do you get it?
Ducky of awesome. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Click on the grid to see the other videos.